Hello friends, in our previous video we have seen how to perform a GIS field survey using QGIS and QField softwares. But that was an offline field survey which requires frequently transferring QGIS project file from your desktop to mobile and then from mobile to desktop. Sometimes this becomes hassles and leads to complication in the projects. But there is a solution to that. QField supports field survey through cloud, wherein you don't have to exchange file between mobile and desktop. It happens through cloud and all the field survey work gets synchronized automatically. So in this video we are going to see how to achieve GIS field survey through cloud, avoiding hassles of data transfers. So let us see how to do that. So like in offline mode, again we'll be using these three folders. I have created the downloads and QField. In that I have cloud, export and import. So in online mode we'll be using cloud folder only. So I have created a blank QGIS project, and earlier we created QField demo. Now here this time we'll create a new project, QField online. So I am saving this QGIS project now. So once it is saved, this is going to be an online field survey application. So we'll be using OpenStreetMap as the background for performing field survey. Once we have added OpenStreetMap, I want to set the projection of this QGIS project to EPSG 4326. So I'll type down EPSG 4326 here, and I double click and press enter. So the projection system of my QGIS project is set to geographic coordinate system. Let me save the project one more time after changing this projection system. And once this projection system is set, I am creating a new shapefile here which will be storing all my locations. So I am giving it landmark underscore online. So this is going to be online survey. So this is landmark underscore shapefile, and it is going to be a point shapefile. And now I am adding some of the fields for capturing attributes. So name is one of the fields, type is another string field, and then photograph, that is one more field I am going to add. And then lastly, I want to capture date also this time. So whenever surveyor is performing the field activity, it will capture the date of the survey. So these are the fields I have created. Now let me click OK. So these fields are created in landmark underscore shapefile. Now I want to set some basic symbology for this landmark shapefile. So I'll go to landmark properties, and then click on this shapefile symbol markers. I'm setting the size to 4, and I'll assign some basic colors. I'll set it to orange color so that it is visible properly. Now let me also do some labeling. So we have created a name field. So I want to do the labeling using the name field. So here instead of name labels, I'll go for single labels, and name field is okay. I keep the default text size and I'll also apply the buffer. So now I click apply okay. So now I have a blank shapefile with labeling and symbology done. So let me zoom into my area of interest, maybe to the city nearby Java, that is Gandhinagar city. So this is looks okay. This is my area of interest wherein I'll be performing the survey. So let me keep my zoom back onto this particular location. And now I have to do the start editing. So I'm toggling editing for this particular shapefile. Now before I create a new feature, I have to set the attribute form for performing field survey. So I'll open the properties and go to attribute form. For ID, again like previous video, I want to make it non-editable, and I use UUID functionality so that ID is updated automatically. You can see the sample format in the preview, and I don't want it to be null. For name again, I don't want it to be null, and it is a string field, so it is okay for me. For type, I want it to be not null. At the same time, I want to have a value map for that, so that this value will be available as a drop down to me when I am performing a field survey. So I am giving some of the value and description. So hospital, bank, school, and maybe temple. So these are some of the drop down values I want to have when I am performing field survey. So lastly, I am going to add is temple. So let me just add that. Temple I have added. Now lastly, I have photo field. So for the photo field, I want to have it as in the form of a attachment. So I'll select that option. This is the attachment. And here I want to give relative path. Remember, you have to change it to relative path, and for display I want to make it image. For date field, I don't want it to be editable, so I'll remove that option. And for the expression, here in default value, I'll say now. So by default, it will capture the date as on the date on which the field service performing the survey activity. Now I want to add a feature. So using QGIS functionality, I'm creating the feature. You see UUID field is updated, and I want to give the name. So maybe it's Red Care Hospital, any random name I'm giving, and it is a type of hospital. And then for the photograph, maybe I'll select Red Care, and date will come automatically. So I just have to press OK. So a new feature has been created. You can see it has been labeled as per our configuration. And now I'm stopping the editing. So I have saved one feature. I have done editing using the QGIS platform. Now I am ready to do editing or say field survey using the cloud computing functionality. So let me save the project. I'll again go to the plugins, and remember you have to install QGIS QField Sync plugin if it is not there. And then you see this option, QField Cloud Project. So here I have to create an account for QField Cloud. So it is a very simple process. You can see you have to provide an email ID. So I'm providing my email ID gisimplified@gmail.com. Username, maybe I'll keep gisimplified, and then password of your choice. You can give the password you want, and you have to remember this password. It will be useful in the future. So I'm giving some password as per my requirement. So you have to give password here, and again you have to confirm that password. So I have given the password and time zone for the India. So it is GMT plus 5:30. So I am giving that time zone. And now I accept the terms and conditions of the services and then register. So now QField Cloud option will send me an email for my confirmation. So once this process completes, it will send me an email. I just have to click a link on the email and it will be verified. So you see on the screen, so I have clicked on the link and verified the account. Now you can come back to QGIS and enter username and password, but remember you have to verify your email account and then only it will be activated. So I am entering my email and password here. So I am just signing in. It is asking for some master authentication password. You can set it again as per your requirement. So I am defining my password and then just click OK. So your cloud account is created and now it is connected to QGIS. You can see greetings GIS simplified on top. So the account has been created. Right now there are no active projects. So let me create a project. And here I want to convert my open QGIS project to a cloud project. Okay. So I'm just selecting the next option. And then I have to give some project name. So I'll give QField_online. And at the location directory, you can see it is taking up this cloud folder which we have created earlier and QField online. That will be the subfolder created in the cloud. So I'm just creating that. So system is configuring my cloud project, and this data will be automatically available on the cloud. So right now what is happening is from local computer data is moving to cloud. It has been moved to cloud. So I just have to close this window. So now data is available on the cloud. Now I need to go to my mobile device and access the data from the cloud. So here in my mobile device, I will open up the QField application. And here in QField, you can see there are two options: open QField project from cloud or local. So I am going to cloud, and again here same username and password I have to provide, which we have provided while creating the account. So we are simplified and the password is selected. So once I connect to cloud from my mobile device, let me just sign in. It will sync with the cloud and you can see our project is available for the mobile device as well. QField_online. So once I click on that project will come from cloud to my mobile device. So earlier it moved from QGIS to cloud and now from cloud to my mobile device. So data will be available locally on my mobile device. So right now synchronization process is happening. Now once the data is synchronized, I'll be able to do the editing on my local device. So let it synchronize. It is going to take some time based on your area of interest and the data that is published on the cloud. So it is taking some time. Now process has been completed and this project is available locally. Now once I click on the project, you can see it is opening up with the layers that we have configured. We have one landmark file and we have OpenStreetMap, and now I can perform all zoom in and zoom out activity and I can start my field survey. So let me enable this landmark underscore online layer and let me make it editable. So I have started the editing for that layer and now I can just go and keep on adding the points. You can see the crosshair available on the middle of the screen. So I have to place the crosshair wherever I want to capture the point. Alternatively, I can just click on this. You can see in the bottom right the other button which is grayed out right now. I can just use that button to capture the location based on my GPS position. For time being, I am capturing through crosshair. So I have selected that crosshair location and now I am entering, say it is the Rameshwar temple, and then type is the temple, and then I want to take the photograph. So I'll just scroll up and then select this photograph icon. You can see date is automatically updated. So now I'm capturing this photograph, some random. During actual field survey, you will be capturing the real-time photograph of the real-world object. But for the demo purpose, I have selected this. So one feature has been created. Now you know the process, how to add a feature. So we will add some more features over here. So I'm selecting this location. So I'm adding that location. I'm providing the name is HDFC Bank and then type is a bank, and then I'll add a photograph. So I'll just scroll up and then click this camera icon. So I can take the photograph with this water bottle. So I'm selecting this photograph and just check mark it. So second feature has been created. It is very easy. Field survey has been made very easy by QField and QGIS. Second feature has been created. Now let me capture the third location, maybe at the center of this square purple polygon. So let me give it some name or type. So maybe this time let us make it a school and we'll call it a DAV public school. So I'm giving some attribute DAV public school, and for the photograph again, click on the camera and maybe let me take some outdoor photograph. So photograph I'll select and just click on that. So second, third feature we have captured. So we have captured three features on the field using mobile device. One feature was captured using the QGIS. So now totally we have four features, and you see it has been labeled beautifully the way they were defined using the QGIS software. So this style, symbology, everything is in perfect sync. Now you can see I am syncing the data from mobile device to the cloud. So I have clicked on the cloud icon and now I have to option either sync the entire project or just push the changes. So I'm selecting only pushing the changes. So I'll select that option, second option. So once I select that, all my changes from my mobile device will sync to cloud. So again, data is available to the cloud. Now we will go to our desktop application and then we will bring the data from cloud back to the desktop device. So let me take you to the desktop. Here in QField Sync, you see this option, synchronize current project from cloud to the desktop, and I'll select this option because from cloud I want data to come back to the desktop. So I'll select this. You can see the arrow for the direction. Now when I execute that, it is so quick, it has executed, and now let it refresh. So all the data which were captured from field, now they will be available on my desktop. Excellent, you can see. Now this file is available locally. So you know the sequence. From desktop we went to cloud, from cloud we went to mobile, in mobile we made some changes, we again pushed it to cloud, and from cloud again we brought it back to desktop. So now it is available in desktop and all the attributes you can see. I can perform identify options, date is available, DAV school attributes are available, path for the photograph is available, everything is available the way it was captured on the field. So isn't it beautiful? We are able to perform a field survey using mobile device without writing even a single code, and now we don't have to do even the hassles of moving the data from mobile to laptop, laptop to mobile. Everything is seamlessly happening without even taking the hassles of transferring the data. You can see data is available in the attribute. So this is wonderful. Data is available in the form of a shapefile in my local computer. I can perform any analysis. So practically I can divide area of interest among multiple surveyors, and I can assign them particular area, and then survey can happen synchronously for multiple areas. So it is a wonderful application. It has avoided very many hassles that were earlier required. Even you don't require developing your own applications. So I hope you are finding this video useful. Stay tuned, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.